Social norms are the unwritten rules that govern behaviour in a society. They are shared expectations about how individuals should behave in various situations, helping to maintain order and predictability in social interactions. Norms influence everything from how we dress to how we communicate and interact with others. For example, it is a social norm to shake hands when meeting someone for the first time in many cultures, signalling politeness and mutual respect. This isn't a rule, but it's something we are expected to do. Social norms are a critical part of how societies function. They guide behaviour and allow people to interact smoothly by providing clear expectations. While norms often go unnoticed because they are so ingrained in everyday life, they play a key role in maintaining social order. However, norms are not universal and can differ significantly between cultures or evolve over time, reflecting changes in societal values and beliefs. There are several types of social norms. First, there are folkways, which are informal norms governing everyday behaviour. These norms are not strictly enforced but are expected in casual social interactions. For example, saying please and thank you are folkways that show politeness. Violating a folkway usually leads to mild social disapproval, but it doesn't carry heavy consequences. Second, there are mois, which are norms with moral significance. These are more strictly enforced because they reflect a society's values and ethics. An example of a mor is the expectation that people should not commit crimes like theft. Violating mors often leads to more severe social consequences, such as legal punishment or social ostracism. Lastly, laws are formalised norms that are written and enforced by governing authorities. Breaking a law leads to official consequences, like fines or imprisonment. For example, driving under the influence of alcohol is both a violation of social norms and a law, with serious legal penalties attached to it. Social norms can be beneficial because they help create a sense of order and predictability. By following norms, individuals know what is expected of them and how to behave in various situations, which reduces confusion and conflict. For example, norms around waiting in line help to prevent chaos in public places, ensuring that everyone gets served fairly. However, norms can also be harmful. Some norms reinforce inequality, discrimination, or harmful behaviours. For instance, in some cultures, there are norms that dictate specific roles based on gender, limiting opportunities for women. Additionally, peer pressure, which is a form of enforcing social norms, can push individuals to engage in harmful behaviours, like substance abuse, simply to fit in with a group. To read a written introduction to the concept of norms, see my article in the pinned comment. To go deeper into an explanation of folkways, check out the video on the screen.